Right, in this video we're going to install Sublime Text 3 and the student data files. So Sublime Text 3 is the recommended editor for this course, and the student data files are all of the files associated with the hands-on exercises in the textbook. So I have a Windows PC on Amazon Cloud that has nothing on it but Chrome. I'm going to assume that anything we install doesn't require you to have admin rights. So bring up a browser, and I'm going to log into Canvas. First thing we're going to install is Sublime Text 3 editor. So if we go into our comms 155, I have a folder, or rather a module called Tools and Resources. We'll go over some of these tools later in the course. At the top there's a link, Sublime Text 3. So click on that and you'll see I'm at a download page, and I'm on Windows 64-bit. I'm going to use the portable version, which requires no admin rights to install. So I'm clicking on portable version next to Windows 64-bit. It gives me a zip file. I'll click on that zip file. Then in Windows Explorer, I will click Extract All. I'm going to browse. I'm going to put it in Documents, but I'm going to create a couple folders. First, I'll create a Program Files folder. You don't have to do this, but this just keeps things orderly for me. And then under Program Files, I'm going to create a Sublime Text 3 folder, and that's where I'll end up extracting this. So those files should extract pretty quickly. Now you can see in that directory I have a bunch of files. The key one is this one called Sublime under Text, which is an application. I'm going to pin it to my taskbar, pin to taskbar, and get rid of these. Let's just fire it up, see what it looks like. So as you can see, when it comes up, not very interesting. So we'll go back to Sublime Text in a second. Next step, we want to install our data files. So back on Canvas, there's a module called Course Materials right now that just contains studentfiles.zip. So I'm going to click on that, and then click on Download studentfiles.zip. Then click on the downloaded zip file. I'm going to extract all. I'm going to browse to Documents again, and I'll just put it right there under Documents. Extract. This will take slightly longer. And once this completes, we'll bring up Sublime Text and see what it looks like when we put actual HTML and CSS files in it. Okay, so you can see that we have our student files. There's a bit of redundant folder structure. I'm not going to worry about that. Oops. Student files update, student files. So under student files here, you can see that I have chapter directories. So for example, under chapter 2, you can see I have a bunch of HTML files. So without further ado, let me close out there, and then go back to Sublime Text 3. So here I'm going to say File, Open Folder, and I want to open the folder, it's already there, Student Files. Say Select Folder, make this a little bigger. Alright, Alright, so let's drill into Chapter 2, which is our introduction to HTML. I'm going to select index.html, and you can see that I have this nice color-coded HTML file. If I wish to view this in a browser, I can just right mouse in the editor window and say open in browser. This is not a very interesting page. It just says hello world. But that shows that we successfully downloaded our Sublime text editor and our student files. And that is it for this video.